The Intelligent Investor, Benjamin Graham. This book was written before computers, before crypto, and before artificial intelligence. Yet, it still outsmarts most investors alive today. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham isn't about trading hype. It's about discipline, patience, and protecting your money from emotion. Warren Buffett calls it the greatest investment book ever written because it teaches you how to think, not what to buy. In a world full of data, this book reminds you that calm thinking is still the ultimate edge. Every page is about separating logic from impulse, a skill that AI still hasn't mastered. If you're serious about long-term wealth, read this book once a year and watch your mindset shift from chasing profits to building empires. Get The Intelligent Investor, link in the description below.